chainsaw. This is 18-inch in length. 18-inch is about 22.5 pounds. It's got a oil window and automatic oiling system. And also it's, again, I mentioned 23 pounds, so I didn't want anything so heavy. It also has a little teeth grinder here on the side and a safety built kick-in. And I have using this. This thing is very powerful. It has half a horsepower, 15 amp, half horsepower. It does the job. I actually cut about a foot and a half of lumber, and it cut through no problem. And you can see here, you can put the oil here, oil window again, I mentioned earlier. Nice features you have. So how to use this here, the black dial actually to tighten up your chainsaw blade. You see here I'm loosening it up. Clockwise, you actually tighten it up. This one you actually take out this whole part here where you can change out the blade and everything. So let's take it out here so you guys can see what's in here. And see here, this is actually used. I used it several times, and you can see how pretty simple design, well made. And that's all it is. You change it out, you just take out the change, put it on, and lock this back in place. Just like that. Okay. And this is electric. I decided to go electric because I didn't want to deal with gas power. But it works fine. Again, half horsepower, 15 amp, very powerful. A little bit heavy, 22, 23, but it does the job. So let me plug it in, let you guys see how it works. I'll hear the power of it. So it has a little safety feature built in. You press this in to get it started. You can hear that motor. Again, it's 15 amp, half horsepower. Wear some earplugs. It's pretty loud. Final verdict on this, I recommend it. For the price, it wasn't too bad. I paid about $100 for it, and I didn't want to get anything more expensive than that because I'm just doing stuff around the house that doesn't require a lot of power. But again, when you use this, I recommend wearing earplugs for it because it's very loud. Okay. And that. There's a link below to the product. If you want a further review, take a look at it, and until next time, take care.